do you guys think?
He's gonna be locked inside of the store, and then the polices come from the roof. And what about him going himself in there?
So they're gonna meet at the ice cream store, and then what's gonna happen?
They're gonna say.
Oh, Dog Man's gonna kiss his girlfriend?
No, that's on the end.
That's on the end? Okay.
What about?
Rainbow Alicious eats food. So you guys are modeling this after Pinkalicious' story?
Yeah. It's Rainbow-licious.
But Rainbow-licious? And you guys are starting. Guys, I like how Brittany decided to organize hers sequentially. She has first, second, third, and last on her bubbles to organize her story. So she wants to tell it in order. You guys could do it that way.
Like Dog Man.
It's okay.
Like draw.
It doesn't have to be perfect. First, she eats too many red things for breakfast.
Trying to spell breakfast.
And then second, she eats